Hey guys, what's going on? I just got bored, thought I'd do a little nice video here. I was gonna compare the two versions of Goodfellas that I got. I've had the 25th anniversary edition for a while, but I wanted to get the original one too. So let's go over the original one first. Let's set that one off to the side. I believe this was a 2007 Blu-ray release, so getting up there in age. So you got, from left to right, you got Ray Liotta, Robert De Niro, and Joe Pesci. I just really like that image of them like above the night. You got one of the guys they killed down there at the bottom. There's the spine, Blu-ray disc logo, and Goodfellas. There's a picture of all three of them again. Best mob movie ever from Roger Ebert of Chicago Sometimes. There's all your specs, the main feature and special features. There's your special features, the documentaries and stuff like that. Your credits, it's rated R. It's 145 minutes. There's your Blu-ray disc. It's pretty much got the same artwork as the front. And it didn't come with a DVD, but I just wanted a DVD for the hell of it. Since, or in case I go over to somebody's house, take it over to somebody's house and they don't have a Blu-ray player. They just have a regular DVD player. But I would have preferred some artwork on that, but it ain't the end of the world. As long as the movie's on it, I don't care. So, yeah, that was the original release of Goodfellas. And then we had, I believe this is the 25th anniversary. I know they made a one that came with the movie and a digibook. Came with 2 discs, which had more special features on it. I ain't crazy about special features, to be honest with you. So, I mean, it would have been cool to have the digibook, but it's alright. I've seen reviews of it on YouTube, and it's alright, but it's not something that I'm going to go crazy if I don't have. But this one has a nice slipcase. Goodfellas. Guy's name's up at the top there. Picture of the gun. What do you mean I'm funny? Which is a quote from Joe Pesci at the beginning of the movie. One of the best scenes where he's talking to Ray Liotta at the dinner table. What do you mean I'm funny? Like I'm a clown? I amuse you? Okay. There's the slipcover and the actual case side by side. You got Ray Liotta and Robert De Niro. Spines here. Just a slipcase a little bit bigger. Let's see. So the slipcase, there's that image that was on the original release. Again, it says the best mob movie ever up at the top. Some more screenshots. the bio, all that good stuff. Case itself, I believe that was the image on the back of the digibook, or not the digibook, but the case that had the digibook and all the extras in it. And this one just includes the movie. So again, just like the original release, you got your Blu-ray disc logo, rated R, 145 minutes. So let's open this one up. Get a code right there with some advertisements for some other movies. Let's see. Exorcist, I got that one. The Departed, amazing movie. Love that. And you get a different disc art, which is pretty cool. Actually, really like that. Just kind of goes with the theme of the slipcover. But yeah, this one I believe has a better video and audio quality. So if you're gonna get a version and you want the best quality available, this is definitely the one to get. But I like having both of them. Big fan of this movie. I actually like the artwork on the 2007 release more than the anniversary. The case art and the disc art, but it's whatever. As long as you got the movie, you're good to go. So this is probably my favorite mobster movie, alongside The Godfather, which I actually just got done watching. Oh, where's that? Here it is. Godfather, great movie. And another Robert De Niro and Joe Pesci collaboration, Casino. Oh my Lord, I love this movie. Can't tell you how many times I've watched this. You plain Universal artwork here. Another one, I just threw the DVD in there. So there you go. Two of my favorite mobster movies. So yeah, that's it really. Just thought I'd do a fun little video like that. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye.